Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites: API key, Xcode version, and Swift toolchain. Open your new Xcode project, add a Swift package for HTTP requests, and store the API key in your keychain or environment file. Once done, build a minimal networking layer that posts JSON. Test with curl first to confirm request format. Make sure to enable app transport security exceptions only if required. This immediate connection proves credentials work before integrating Claude Code deeper into your app. You now implement the core. Construct a payload with prompt, model name, and parameters like max tokens and temperature. Use URL session with async/await to send post requests, and decode responses with Codable for type safety. Once done, add error mapping for 4xx/5xx codes and retry logic with exponential backoff. This prevents spamming the API. If you require partial updates, parse streaming chunks incrementally and update the UI on the main thread while maintaining cancellation tokens. You finish by wiring decoded responses into your app's view models and sanitizing output for display. Once done, run instrumentation to measure latency, add simple caching for repeated prompts, and enforce client-side rate limiting to avoid throttles. For troubleshooting, if replies fail, log the full request and response payloads, redact secrets, check API key validity and model name, and replicate with curl to isolate Xcode vs networking issues. Make sure to test on device and simulator before release.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.